Magandang hapon po ng December 11, 2025 Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng December 11, 2025 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, December 11, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for December 11, 2025 Thursday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Lotto 642 for Thursday, December 11, 2025. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for December 11, 2025, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.